Hello. So I'm Karishma and he's my husband.
Pawan Agrawal.
So let me tell you and take you through the journey of our house. Last year, sometime in August, we bought this new house, and of course, as everyone dreams about, we also wanted to have our dream house. I wasn't very convinced with the concept of interior designer, but my husband genuinely convinced me for that. And then our journey started, where we started meeting up with couple of the interior designer and all. And in the process of that, he somehow from Instagram found out BBI's contact, and he called up Abhishek sir, and that's how we, I think, first time met Abhishek when he came to this row house. I think at the first moment itself, after that 30-45 minute meeting itself, I think we both were convinced that
with Abhishek.
this is what, and this होता है ना कि यही है जो हमें वो दे पाएंगे जो हमारा विजन है. After we also checked their Instagram page and everything, where they had their work uploaded and all, and that actually catched our attention. We personally wanted a very subtle house, white theme, not very jazzy, but a sukoon wala ghar, and they understood. So after couple of meeting we had with Abhishek, we finalized BBI there and then only, and then everything got started. We had a few meetings with BBI team, so they understood what we wanted. They created the designs and everything and layout and all. That turned out really good. And then the entire journey where we started breaking the entire house, दीवारें तोड़ दी थी, kitchen पूरा breakout कर दिया था. And to be very honest, initial time पे there was a situation where we didn't knew what to do, like extension of the balcony or extension of some kitchen area or anything. Abhishek came there as a rescue for us. He didn't come once in a day. He came thrice in a day also, wherever we needed.
He available also.
He was always there, always. Then the once that entire construction thing has completed, then the another phase started with that lighting and furniture and everything. Furniture also started very well. When it comes to the selection of the final Sanmaika and all, the laminations, then all, the team was there with us for all that phase. From selecting a small light to selecting a Jhumar or whatever you say, whatever you can see in the house, all the colors,
all
lamination,
the curtains and sofa, whatever
curtains,
the furniture.
sofa,
The team is always
furniture,
there.
everything. So they were always there. So they are like a family to me. मतलब अगर मुझे और भी कुछ काम है, I would definitely ask them for their help because they have that vision. Few of the incidents which I really like to recall right now is in the bedroom, we had one wardrobe, existing wardrobe, and Abhishek, I think, came from the Diwali vacation and he very well said, मैडम ये तोड़वा दो, सर आप लोग ये सब मत रखो, ये आपका घर ना कबूतर खाने जैसा बनेगा. And if I go and check that, हम लोग को आज भी हम दोनों डिस्कस करते हैं that yes,
He was right.
he was right. He was absolutely right there कि वो कबूतर खाना ही बनता. If you look the house right now, it has a space. After the bed, wardrobe and everything, it has a space that we wouldn't have got it otherwise. अगर हमने वो तोड़ा नहीं होता तो. They also understand the color and combination what we wanted. हमें पूरा white चाहिए. So if you see our house, the kitchen is complete white. The hall is like very subtle colors. There's no dark colors or anything. And they understood our requirement. They did the selection with us in a way which turned out the best way. Final selection of curtains and these hanging lights, they were there. How to select that? Maybe as an end user, we are not that great in doing this selection because we don't know how it will turn out. But they were very sure. So these are few of the points which I really want to highlight, and I genuinely want to thank them for making or having our house the way we wanted. Neither plus nor minus, exactly what we have dreamt about. This is what we wanted. The balcony area, the kitchen, the bedroom. My daughter's bedroom, she's a fond of a purple color. It is actually not only दिखने में अच्छा घर, but if you see from the functionality point of view, where there is a kid, he would need something for playing area, chit chat session with the friends because they'll go in teenage now. So it's not only the good looking house, but it's from functionality wise also they understood. As a working woman or a mother, I never wanted my kitchen to be open. Nothing to be open because I can't manage everything as a working person. So
We can say the BBI gives us our dream house.
correct. So they were there, they understood that, and they design it in a way which is functional to me, to us, which I can maintain. So that's it. But genuinely thank you for everything you guys are doing and for giving us exactly जैसा घर हमें चाहिए था. So thank you.